Hi guys, this is one of my tripods. I have quite a few. I just knocked it over and it fell awkwardly and broke that handle, winding handle, off there. Which way would that go? Well, whatever. That's obviously going to be a little project, isn't it? Little 3D printed project. It obviously won't be as strong if I 3D print it. But if we print it the right way round, it might have some strength. Yeah. Well, at the moment, my computer is dead, so I can't access Tinkercad online to actually design a new piece. So I'm filming this now while I remember it. And then we'll have to take it apart. Looks like there's a little metal pin goes through just there. So I'll have to tap that through so we can pull that out and then try and design something that'll be the right shape. There's a pin goes through there. So I'm just going to cut this bicycle spoke long enough that I can tap it through. That should be long enough. So with a bit of luck. Yeah, I can see it's coming through there. Yeah, a little bit further. Oh gosh, there was a spring under it. It just shot out. A spring and a ball bearing. So it was spring loaded. The spring's still there, and the ball bearing's gone over there somewhere. Right, got the light at a better angle. So you can see we've got to squeeze them together and it should slide off. Quite surprised myself, I found my flat pliers. Don't know if that'll help, but that's what we need to do. Did that move or didn't it? I don't think it did. Right, we'll try and be a bit more forceful. Come on. It still doesn't want to come. The other way around. I mean, the point is, it really doesn't matter. We don't need to save this piece other than just to get the measurements off it. So I could just go wild. Got it. Well, now we can see what we're dealing with. So yeah, we won't push it back on at the moment, but we need to make an arm like that. And 3D printed out of PLA, it really isn't going to be very strong. that bit's going to have no strength at all. Well, we'll try it. We'll design it, we'll print it, and if it fails, we'll actually stop it at that point there and put a peg through separately, which will have more strength. Now, if we print it in that orientation, then the layer lines are all going the right way to give it as much strength as possible. If we tried printing it up like that, that would be hopeless, I think. Well, yeah, it would, because that'd have no strength at all up there, because the layer lines will be going through the thin bits. But if we print it that way round, we got a fighting chance of it being reasonably strong. And of course, you can always reprint it. Once you've printed one, you can print as many as you like. I put the ball on a magnet so I didn't lose it. Right, today is Saturday the 4th of March. I'm hoping to get the computer back, or the new computer, Monday or Tuesday. If this was really urgent, I could do it on my wife's old laptop. That would actually give us access to Tinkercad online. But I'm not that desperate. I have plenty of tripods. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.